Now I will discuss how to balance the equations in basic medium. In previous video we discussed how to balance the equation in acidic medium. There are so many examples in acidic medium. I will discuss those examples in live class. Now I will discuss how to balance the equations in basic medium. In acidic medium and basic medium steps are same except in third step. In third step we have to add H plus ions in case of acidic medium to deficient side. But in case of basic medium we have to add first H2O molecules to deficient side, then add equal number of OH minus ions to opposite side. If you see this example, then you get clear idea. First step is what? What is our target? Balancing. First step is what? Calculate oxidation state of central atoms. MnO4 minus. Here oxidation state is how much? Plus 7, because in previous video we discussed it already. MnO2, x plus 2 into minus 2, nothing but plus 4. Here I minus, monoion, no need to calculate. Here I2, elemental state, 0. From plus 7 to plus 4, oxygen state decreases or increases? Here oxygen state decreases. So this will be reduction oxidation reaction, reduction of reaction. Here minus 1 to 0, that means oxygen state increased. So this comes under oxidation of reaction. After finding oxidation of reaction and reduction of reaction, what we have to do? That reaction should be separated. Oxidation of reaction, reduction of reaction. What is oxidation of reaction? I minus gives rise to I2. What is the reduction of reaction? MnO4 minus gives rise to MnO2. What is the first step? We have to balance other atoms other than oxygen and hydrogen. Here what are other atoms? Of course here oxygen and hydrogen both are not there. So here left side one hydrogen atom is present, right side two iodine atoms are present. What we have to do? Those atoms should be balanced. That means we have to put 2 in front side. That means 2I minus gives rise to I2. That's all. Here first step is what? Same step. Here manganese atoms are how many? 1. Right side also 1. So no need to balance this equation because already atoms are balanced. So we have to write same equation. MnO4 minus gives rise to MnO2. Next, second step. Second step is what? Balancing oxygen atoms. Here no oxygen atoms, so write same equation. 2I minus gives rise to, right? Second step here. Here 4 oxygen atoms are present in left side, 2 oxygen atoms are present in right side. So oxygen atoms are less in which side? Right side. What we have to do? We have to add 2 H2O molecules in acidic medium or basic medium. To balance oxygen atoms, we have to add H2O molecules. So now H2O molecule should be added to right side. So equation becomes MnO4 minus gives rise to MnO2 plus 2H2O. Third, what is the third step? Balancing hydrogen atoms. Here hydrogen atoms are not there. So write same equation. 2I minus gives rise to I2. Here third step. No hydrogens present in left side, only 4 hydrogens present in right side. So what we have to do to balance hydrogen atoms in basic medium? This is basic medium. To balance hydrogen atoms, what we have to do? We have to add H2O molecules left side and add same number of OH minus ions to right side. Now how many H2O molecules should be added? 2 H2O molecules. 4 H2O molecules, because here 4 hydrogens present, here no hydrogen is present. So MnO4 minus plus, see this reaction carefully, plus 4 H2O gives rise to MnO2 plus 2 H2O plus 4 OH minus, because after adding H2O add same number of OH minus ions to opposite side. To left side, opposite side is what? Right side. After writing this equation, it can be written as it can be written as here C 4H2O 2H2O. That means one more step will be there. 4H2O 2H2O. If 2H2 comes to left side, then MnO4 minus plus 2H2O, because if plus sign comes to left side then it will be minus, then 4 minus 2 2 2H2O gives rise to MnO2 plus 4OH minus. After adding OH minus n, then after writing this step will be finished. Then write fourth step. What is the fourth step? Balancing charges by adding electrons. How should we add electrons? By using charges. Here charge is how much? 2 into minus 1 left side gives rise to, here charge is 0, that means minus 2 gives rise to 0. We should not get positive sign, we should not get negative sign, we should get positive sign. Then this negative sign comes to right side, then what happens? 0 gives rise to 2, that means we got positive number in right side. That means we have to add 2 electrons to this equation, then that equation becomes 2I minus gives rise to I2 plus 2 electrons. Here also same thing, here charge is how much? Minus 1 plus here 0, because this is neutral molecule, gives rise to here MnO, that is also neutral, plus here 4OH minus, that means 4 into, we should consider coefficient also, minus 1. Minus 1 plus 0 minus 1 gives rise to minus 4. When will we get positive value? If this minus 4 comes to left side, then minus 1 plus 4 gives rise to 0, then 3 gives rise to 0. That means we should add 3 electrons to this reaction in left side. So this equation becomes MnO4 minus plus 2H2O plus 3 electrons gives rise to MnO2 plus 4OH minus. This is equation 1, this is equation 2. We have to assume like that. Here 2 electrons are present, here 3 electrons are present. Every time in case of oxidation, electrons should be present in right side. In case of reduction, electrons should be present in left side. Why? Oxidation is what? Loss of electrons. That is also one of the definition. Reduction means what? Gaining of electrons. If electrons present in left side, that indicates gaining of electrons. If electrons present in right side, that indicates loss of electrons. Suppose if you get electrons in left side, that will be wrong. If in this case, if you get electrons in right side, that also will be wrong. Now fifth step is what? Balancing electrons. What we have to do? To balance the electrons, it should be multiplied by certain integer. Here 2 electrons, here 3 electrons. How to balance 2 electrons, 3 electrons? If this equation is multiplied by 3 and this equation is multiplied by 2, then we get 6 electrons, 6 electrons. So what is the operation here? Equation 1 should be multiplied by 3 and equation 2 should be multiplied by 2. If equation 1 is multiplied by 3, then we get 6I minus gives rise to 3I2 plus 6 electrons. If equation 2 is multiplied by 2, then we get 2MnO4 minus plus 4H2O plus 6 electrons gives rise to 2MnO2 plus 4OH minus. 8OH minus, because 2 4 8. Here left side only 6I minus, here 2MnO4 minus 4H2O 6I minus 6 electrons. Here right side 3I2, here 2MnO2 plus 8OH minus. Here electrons are present in right side, here electrons are present in left side. Both will become cancelled. Then left side, right side. Then 6I minus plus 2MnO4 minus plus 4H2O gives rise to 3I2 plus 2MnO2 plus 8OH minus. This is the required equation. We should check whether it is correct or not. How to check? 6 iodines balanced. 2 manganese atoms also balanced. Oxygens 2 4 8, 8 plus 4 12. Here 2 2s 4, 4 plus 8 12. Oxygen atoms also balanced. Hydrogens 4 2s 8, 8. Hydrogens also balanced. Next, charges also should be balanced. Here charges minus 6, minus 2, plus 0. That means left side how much? Minus 8. Right side also should be minus 8. Then only this will be right. Here 0 plus 0 plus 8 into minus 1. So minus 8. So left side and right side charges also same, this equation will be right. So that is the way to solve, or that is the way to calculate equation in acidic medium as well as in basic medium. This is all about balancing equations in basic medium. This is the end of redox reactions chapter. Better to watch this video 2 times or 3 times, then you get clear idea. Thank you.